Airtel digital TV showing the error no signal TV code B001. This could be due to bad condition or bad weather condition at your endpoint or broadcast center. Solution: do satellite scan. Press OK button in the remote. Choose a transponder to configure. Select the transponder. Press OK button in the remote. By changing the entry point settings, you may lose signal and ongoing recordings. Select yes and press OK button in the remote. You can see signal log successful. If you see signal log successful, then press OK button. Now you can watch the channels without getting the error. If signal log is failed, you cannot watch the channels. You can check the dish antenna and remove any obstruction around the dish. You can do this satellite scan if there is no signal error occurs. This error occurs if the sky is very cloudy or it is raining. Subscribe.